Hi, welcome to my channel Microjot. Today I'll be sharing my experience in visiting Munnar and few hidden tourist places which most of the tourists will be not knowing. So today I'll be covering the best places to visit Munnar. Behind this tour was for every 12 years in Munnar there is a particular flower which blooms for every 12 years. The flower name is Neela Kurunji. So every 12 years this flower will bloom, and the entire mountain of Munnar are covered with bluish. So it is very good to see. So this flower generally occurs once in 12 years, and it blooms in between July to October. So we made our plan in October 2018. So first what we did is we booked bus which generally cost you around 600 to 800 rupees from Bangalore to Munnar. And once we booked the bus, parallelly we booked hotel in Munnar, which is a budget hotel we booked. And the reason behind booking this hotel is it is very near to city, and it was very near to SRS bus stop, traveling bus stop. As you can see, this is the hotel we booked, and it was in the heart of the city. This is the heart of the city, Munnar. So as I told, the main reason for going to Munnar in October was to see Neela Kurunji flowers. These are the flowers, and I am at hilltop, and you can see the mountains around me floating. Best scenery. Now let's go. So on October Friday night, we took bus from Bangalore, and early morning 5 o'clock we reached Munnar. And once we reached Munnar, as I told, the bus stop to my room was just from SRS travel bus stop to my room was just some 100 meters of distance. So once I booked the room, I took bath and got fresh up, and hotel person was very good, and he helped us in like giving maps like what all places to visit in Munnar, and he also told to hire a bike. So from here we walked for half a kilometer from our room. So we got Gokulam bike person. So you can see Gokulam, and this is his number. You can contact him once you reach, or you can plan 2 days before you reach. You can book your vehicle. I have booked Pulsar 180cc because when I went it was available. I thought of taking Enfield, but I could not able to get at that moment. So coming from, so on Saturday at 7 o'clock we got freshed up, and hotel person gave us a brochure like what all the tourist places you can visit, which all places you can go. When is Mettupalli direction one way, you can cover all this. All this can be covered only in one day if you are having your own vehicle, or else you can hire for an city tour, or else if you are you could able to drive car or bike, you can take for rent, and per direction you can cover only one day. Like suppose if I take Muttapeti direction, I can cover up to this. If I take Cochin direction, I can cover up to 10 places per day, and Coimbatore direction and this. There are almost 4 directions which we covered on Saturday. From our hotel we straight away came to this waterfalls. Then while going back we took some viewpoints. There are so many viewpoints. Then we went to this waterfalls, then this waterfalls, and finally uh, we went to viewpoint and reached our hotel by 6 p.m. evening. I will be showing few pictures of these places. Now let's start with this waterfalls. You can see early morning we left hotel at 7 a.m. early morning. Then we reached bike hiring person at 8 a.m. Then from there it is almost 1.5 hour journey to this destination waterfalls. Once we reached, it was around 10 o'clock. So we took bath. We took bath over there. All our friends took bath over there, and we got fresh up in the waterfalls itself. Then we have had breakfast near to waterfalls. Then from here we moved to this waterfalls. On the way we had breakfast and we got relaxed, and we went to this waterfalls around maybe around 1 p.m. So this is on the way. You can walk in. This is the way you can walk inside and go there and take pic. When we went, it was rainy season, so we could not able to get inside water because water was rushing very hard. So we could not able to get inside. And once we reach, it was around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Nearby we had a good lunch on the way. Then we reached viewpoint. We covered all the waterfalls and we covered viewpoint and reached our hotel back at 6 p.m. Everyone should visit once you go to Munnar. That is like hidden place and very beautiful place, which is not in this list, but we found accidentally, and that is very good place. Let's see few pics which we took. This is in front of hotel on Saturday morning 6 a.m. So our hotel was into the heart of the city, where you will be getting, where we could able to get hotels, all your necessary items nearby. And this was in on the way to Kochi road. We took some few pics. Very beautiful nature, you can see, very beautiful. And this is the, as I discussed, waterfalls. This was the waterfalls which we took photo. You can go inside. There is a way you can go inside, but we felt, because as I told, it was a rainy season and the water was rushing so much, so we thought not to go. Forest division. So beautiful, Munnar. So this is my bike which I had, 180cc Pulsar. So beautiful. And this is the dam which we went. In description I will be sharing all the directions, so whoever is visiting, for them it will be easy to visit all these places. So you can see water rushing, so clear and so good, full of greenery. So in single bike we all three traveled. Wow, what a beautiful place. I think this is Kannandevan Hills. You can see, full of tea, coffee. is the way. Actually, if you wanted to go to Munnar, according to me, take bike because you can feel the nature while you're going. I prefer bike in these places of hilly stations. Going in bike feels very relaxing and very good. And this is, while coming back, there is one small garden you can visit. You'll be having different types of botanical plants. You feel good. So this was around 5 p.m. evening. So we had only 1 hour because it generally closes at 6:30 it seems. So we had only one and a half hour to visit inside this botanical garden. Yeah. So these are like off-roading which I did because you can see I'll be playing one video. How is the road? The roads are very beautiful.
I had a view, huh?
Like if you are going by bike, you can feel the frequency around. You can see the breeze hitting your face, relaxing.
Only road.
And roads are, because this is a dark section, you feel the drive very pleasant. So I was driving around 30 to 40 kilometers because I was enjoying the nature. So even I was not in a rush.
I am driving right now.
To reach the destination very quickly. I was enjoying the nature. So this is the way to Munnar to Kochi direction. So where you will be getting viewpoints and waterfalls.
Sorry, भी लेगा. ऊपर करना view देख.
You can see, so beautiful.
Yes, sir.
The mountains covered with full of greeneries, very pleasant. And if you are riding your bike around 40 to 50, I think 40 will be the best. So you can off-roading in Munnar. Oh my god, I think I traveled around 1 kilometer with same road situation. 1 kilometer while going, while coming. So let's take up day 2 activities. Day 2 activity, that is on Sunday early morning at 6 a.m. we got up. The hotel person told the sunrise at Kannandevan Hills will be very beautiful. So early morning at 6 a.m. we left the hotel and reached Kannandevan Hills. So let me play a video of Kannandevan Hill.
Charge मिला रहा है ना?
Yeah. Now you could able to see this is way to Kannandevan Hill from my hotel.
Left. वहाँ पे जा रहा है तो
As I told, the next day government of Kerala announced red zone. Government of Karnataka said red zone because of highest like heavy rainfalls.
ऐसा ए सनराइज
English has been started. You can see.
साला क्या है इसमें?
यहाँ पे ई स्टेट लिखा हुआ है ये हम यहाँ पे गए
So I guess it took 40 minutes to reach from our hotel to Kannandevan Hills. This hills belongs to Kannandevan. That is Tata owns Kannandevan. So all this tea plantation belongs to
के सेंड करता हूँ
आलू क्या है हमको दिखाते आ गए
We reached Kannandevan Hills, and because on Sunday, because of heavy rains, the government announced red zone, that is tourists cannot travel for their safety. So from Kannandevan we traveled to Wild Sanctuary, Chinnar Wild Sanctuary, which was some 40 to 50 minutes journey from Kannandevan Hills. Early morning 6 o'clock we left, and we took some few pics like Kannandevan Hill, Wildlife Sanctuary, all these places, and we came to our hotel back at 11 a.m. He guided us. So as I told, in October there was red alert by government due to cyclones, but our motto was to see Neelakuranji flowers. And even as I told, this national park was closed on October 2018. So this is the view from that national park, the blooming of flowers, which generally takes once in 12 years. And this is Kannandevan tea. From there we came back to our hotel around 11 a.m. You can see my friend and me. Yeah, this is on the way to Kannandevan Hills. So as I told, we left at 6 a.m. We could have some snacks, early morning tea or one of the cafe. Yeah, you can see. I think this was around 6:10 or 6:30 early morning. And this national park was closed due to a red alert given by, actually this national park will generally open at 7:30 a.m. and close at 4 p.m. and we went to see Neelakuranji flowers, but unluckily we could not able to get inside, and this is the place where we get tickets. They told due to red alert it has been closed for visitors. So as I told, at 11 a.m. we reached hotel back from Kannandevan Hills, and national park did not allow us inside. It was temporarily closed on that day because of heavy rains and cyclones, and hotel person helped us telling like, okay, not to worry, if you wanted to really see the flowers, from this way Echo Point there is top hill, on the way you can see Neelakuranji flowers, he told us. So we went this way, Echo Point and Top Hill station, but we could not able to find Neelakuranji flowers. So what we did, near to Top Hill station, one person told, from here if you travel some 10 or 15 kilometers towards Coimbatore way, there is Munnar Reserve Forest, where you could able to find Neelakuranji flowers. So why Neelakuranji blooms once in 12 years? There is a description, you can go through it. This is a valley, Neelakuranji Valley. So it looks something like this. Okay, so from our hotel we reach Top Hill to see Neelakuranji flowers, but we could not. But nearby people told to go to this viewpoint where you can get Neelakuranji flowers. So from here it is almost 12-13 kilometers we traveled from a forest officer. Because we had a bike, we had an option to go, or else we could not able to go, because most of the tourist places stop their destination on top hill. After top hill they will not go, but if you are having your own vehicle or rented cab you can go. But this place, everybody, it is an hidden hidden treasure of Munnar. Vegetation place, a small village is lying, and very beautiful place. Anybody, whoever is going to Munnar should not miss these places. Let's see. So from Topville you can note down the places. From Topville, around 10-12 kilometers there is a viewpoint, and from this viewpoint one person near Topville told if you go to this viewpoint you can find those flowers, but we could not able to find. But we felt very good because we are going inside the forest, and we were a little bit afraid because we three were alone on that day, but we made the trip, and from there we went to this viewpoint and it was very beautiful. And from there one person told you wanted to go to this viewpoint where you have Neelakuranji flowers. Because of cyclone and heavy winds and heavy rains, the most of the flowers is destroyed, so you can go to this viewpoint where you can find it. So from here it is around 10 more some 7 more kilometers I guess we traveled to this viewpoint. So soon I'll be sharing those pics. So this is the viewpoint, this is the viewpoint where we could able to see some bunch of flowers, Neelakuranji flowers. Because of cyclone and heavy winds and rains, most of the flowers were destroyed. And this is the viewpoint. You feel amazing, you feel like as if you are in Scotland or Switzerland. It is so beautiful. From top clouds will be will be passing on you, and downhill full vegetation. You feel very good place. Yeah, and it was around 3 o'clock I guess. It was around 3 o'clock once we left this viewpoint and reached our hotel back. So our hotel, like, it was around 42 kilometers we traveled in order to view the flowers. We traveled around 42 kilometers and we came back at 6:30 we came back, and at 8 o'clock we took bus to from Munnar to Bangalore, and early morning 5-6 o'clock we reached Bangalore. Let me share few pics. This is as I told, from viewpoint to forest entering. This was the forest.
आगे का कवर कर रहा है दिख ही
Tall
जाए,
trees.
क्या पता क्या दिख जाए,
We were alone in the
वो
vehicle.
देखो क्या रहा,
And that was really like it was very good, and we were a little bit afraid because we were entering into forest.
हाँ मुझे लगा कि कुछ है,
It was really good. So you could able to see the forest.
ఫ్లవర్ ఆల్సో నాట్ విజిబుల్. అదర్ ఫ్లవర్ ఆల్సో నాట్ విజిబుల్.
अबे आगे का देखिए रोड देखा आगे
This is the hidden
What
place.
is it?
I was telling in the starting of the video.
What is the wild thing?
See the hidden place of Tamil Nadu, one should visit.
Wild animal crossing road.
okay
Out
wait
of video we'll get the viewpoints. So beautiful, so beautiful. Mahesh. This is Kannan Devan plant, where paying around 150 rupees you can go inside and see the process of tea manufacturing. So this is dam. Madhupetti Dam. This is a eco point. So you can see full of greenery, full of mountains, very beautiful. Wow, you can see the backside, the snow covered. I think this is the viewpoint on top of hill. These are the natural fruits we will be getting on the hilltop. Yeah, this is Nilkuranji flowers. As I told, I asked a local person, what is this flower about? When I was in Top Hill, I saw these flowers and I asked to the local, what is this flower? They told this is Nilakuranji flowers. Then they told me the way to reach the location, because they told we belongs to this particular area viewpoint, where I took it early morning and came to this, like it was a small hotel. So they guided us from here to view this point in order to search for Nilakuranji flowers. So we made the way, and I'll be sharing the photos. So from here we finally on the as I told, this is a hidden place, very beautiful place. So these are the flowers. We could be able to finally find the flowers which blooms once in 12 years, and I can see the background, very beautiful. Oh, this is really very beautiful pic. You can see the tea leaves, very fresh, so beautiful. Wherever you go, tea leaves, tea leaves. These two, never miss these two places if you are going to Munnar. So this is the hidden places. So most of them will be knowing up to Top Hill, but from Top Hill, if you could able to travel around 20 kilometers, you could able to find beautiful places. Yeah, same place. Even I too took the pic. See, this is the same place where we took the pic. Okay, thank you. So hi, this is Pawan. So I will be telling about list of places one should visit if you go to Munnar. So these are the list of places. So in description I will be sharing the directions. So once if you click in description, so all these places will be visited, so that whoever goes, it will be easy to track which location they wanted to go. Thank you.